Welcome back to the ClassFlo Tutorial Series. In this video, we will be learning about the export feature. There are going to be times when you need to get your data out of ClassFlo, maybe for backup, maybe to share with your team, maybe to analyze in a spreadsheet. ClassFlo makes this really easy. I'm going to show you how to export your calendar to CSV and Excel. See that export button up at the top right corner of the header? Click that to open the Export Schedule modal. First, you need to decide what part of your schedule you want to export. If you're in dates mode, you can export the current day, the current week, or a custom date range. Pick whichever makes sense for what you need. If you're in template mode, you can export your weekly template pattern, that reoccurring schedule we built earlier. Now, you need to pick a format. You've got two options, CSV or Excel. CSV is a simple table format. You can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, Numbers, or import it into other systems. It's universal and lightweight. Excel is richer. It creates a grid-style workbook with separate sheets, color coding, and a more visual layout. Great if you want something that looks closer to your actual calendar. Pick whichever format fits your needs. Below the format selector, you'll see checkboxes. These control what extra details get included in your export. For CSV exports, you have Include Student Names, fills an assigned students column with all enrolled students listed out. You have Include Unscheduled Classes. This adds a separate CSV file listing your library classes that aren't on the calendar yet. And you have Include Metadata. This adds your class notes into the export. For Excel exports, you have options like Include Student Counts. This shows enrollment numbers inside each class block. You have Include Colors. This keeps your class color coding in the exported file. You have Include Conflicts. Tags classes with conflict flags for room/teacher conflicts. You have Include Unscheduled Classes, adds a separate sheet listing unscheduled classes. Check whatever options you need. You'll see a preview area at the bottom that summarizes how many classes and rooms will be included, plus the date range. So that's exporting in ClassFlo, CSV and Excel for your active schedule. Use these exports to back up your data, analyze your schedule in a spreadsheet, share information with your team, or just keep records outside the app. And with that, you're a ClassFlo Pro. You now know how to set up your studio and rooms, build your class library, think in templates versus dates, create your weekly schedule, handle special events and exceptions, manage teachers and students, use the scheduling helper and autofill, catch and fix conflicts, save and reuse templates, test ideas with scenarios, and exporting your schedule. Here's the thing. Scheduling is never going to be completely effortless. Studios are complicated, life is unpredictable, there are always edge cases, but ClassFlo takes the tedious, error-prone parts off your plate. It catches what you miss, suggests solutions you might not have thought of, and just generally makes the whole process manageable. Start simple. Build your template schedule first, get comfortable with that core workflow, then layer in the special dates, the automation, the advanced features. You don't have to use everything at once. And remember, ClassFlo is flexible. It adapts to however you work. Some studios love autofill and use it for everything. Others prefer manual control and just use it occasionally. Some studios use Scenario Manager constantly, others rarely touch it. All of that's fine. Find what works for you. If you get stuck, there's help documentation, support, and a growing community of studio owners using ClassFlo. You're not alone in this. Give it a few weeks, build one schedule, run it for a month. You'll find your rhythm with the tool, and pretty soon, scheduling won't be the headache it used to be. Welcome to ClassFlo. Let's make your schedule flow.